Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, the three of us underscore KE. Yeah, right now today is early morning. It's on a Thursday guys. We are doing plumbing for our project guys. Yeah, so right now it's a bit of plumbing. We're doing plumbing for this toilet. Yeah guys, this is the toilet, the project that has been here for quite a long time, and right now we are doing the final touches of tiling. But before we tile our toilet, we had some project problem with the plumbing issues. So we want to rectify the plumbing issues, related issues like the showers and what have you, and flushing system. Yeah, so that now we can embark on installing the tiles. The first phase of the tiles was done, so right now we are digging the trench so that fix the older pipe that runs to this place. Yeah, so we want this place, this toilet, to have proper water run every time, because inside it we put the tank. Inside there's a tank, and also there's a tank outside that supplies this tank inside. So from up there, the water comes from up, then flows to the tank above. As you can see, the tank above over there, yeah, that tank over there. So we feed it with water, then it serves the inner tank inside, and then that's where we can use it to flush the toilet. Yeah guys, so once again, welcome to my channel. I believe you are good wherever you are, and thank you once more for viewing my channel, sharing my channel, and also those people who comment. Great work you're doing, sharing my stuff and also liking my stuff guys. Yeah, I really appreciate the effort that you are putting in my channel. Yeah, so today we'll show you a lot of things, the work, the plumber's work, and also some few things inside here, out here. So guys, stay here, watch this channel to the end.
Imako tol. Imako why? Gari hivi. Ipi?
Bueno, atete.
Nó không dám nhìn. Phim này.
Madonge nyalo dren kita pima iye ka kipikendo cha minati.
Pimani.
Pimani iye kanya.
Ma, golo te. Ma golo te. Buwe kita kisema nono. Madonge migolo kodo kita kidwa loko kisema. Kigole kende cha kukunyo kata kanti gumemedo. Soalnya kata disconnect, itu kama wanyalo goga pito pongan wakati macha iwani. Man,
Pong no ita na mabat.
mapenya na. Ay, doge nyalo re.